Here is me trying to install the newly downloaded GB WhatsApp. So I'm going to install it and then run the WhatsApp so that we all can confirm that it actually works. So I'm waiting for it to install successfully. So it has been installed, so I'm going to open it straight away. So allow access to manage file, yes, and English. So I'm going to click on set permission, allow, and then agree and continue. So allow. Now this is where I'm going to be using another account. I actually have two WhatsApp accounts on my phone already, the normal WhatsApp and the business WhatsApp. So the normal WhatsApp, the business WhatsApp, I'm using it for my main account, okay, because of what I do, so that I'll be able to post my catalog. So, and on the normal WhatsApp, just one of my number, just to keep things in check in case I want to check something with myself. So I don't want to have both installed, so I'm going to be using another number for this one, so making it three different WhatsApp on a single phone. So I'm going to enter the number and get an OTP sent. So once the OTP has been sent and confirmed, so I'm going to test out the features of this GB WhatsApp so that we all can confirm that it's a GB WhatsApp, that it's actually working. So after confirming it, we'll be able to see that it works. So I've received an OTP. So I'm going to paste the OTP and then wait for the installation process to be complete. So as you can see, it has been verified. So, and then I'm just going to enter an acronym here. Okay, so I'm going to skip this and finish the whole setup. Now, as you can see, if you have already used GB WhatsApp previously before, like 7 8 years ago, 5 years ago, even till 2023 or 2024, I think, so you'll have noticed that this is actually how the GB WhatsApp channel log usually look like. So eventually, if they get any updates, this is how it usually is. So as to tell you that it is actually working in full. So I'm just going to click on OK, and then as you can see now, then since I've clicked on the OK, and then our next course of action here is actually customization, which is settings, customizing our WhatsApp. So without wasting much of our time, I'm going to click on the usual button and click on the WhatsApp testing. So on that testing, so this is how I'm going to customize the WhatsApp. So I'm going to click on privacy and security. So here, normally we usually freeze this one last thing. This is how to hide our last thing. Now, importance of GB WhatsApp is actually, you see, these anti-V ones. I mean, imagine they send you V1's message. So, but with GB WhatsApp, you'll be able to view it as limited as possible, unlimited as possible, without having to worry about it being limited. So you can also disable forwarded message and all that. Now, hide the privacy option from home, and these are disable WhatsApp channel. So if you don't like seeing WhatsApp channel on your WhatsApp, you can disable it. So anti delete status, this one will let you know that even if somebody deletes their status or story, you still be able to see it after it has been deleted. So that's all that. So now anti-disappearing message too, as you can also see, this is anti-disappearing message. So if somebody set a disappearing message at their end, it won't delete at your own end. And you see, so these are all the benefits of having GB WhatsApp. So are we okay? I think I'm done with the privacy settings. So I will come to home screen. So this home screen, direct link and all that. So okay, let me just leave it for now and just so that we're able to test it. Now I'm back. So now this is the home screen. So let me send the message to myself. So now let me send the message. So the message I'm going to send is going to be V1s. So I want to test the V1s out. So the V1s, I've sent a message, and as you can see, a notification already pop up that I have a message right here. So if I click it, as you can see, the notification have pop up and it is under GB WhatsApp. As you can see, GB WhatsApp. So I'm going to log in to the WhatsApp right here, switch to it and click on the notification and click on the V1's photo. As you can see, I view it. So I'm back. As you can see, I can view it unlimited as much as possible without worrying about it getting unable to view again. So this is the perk of actually having GB WhatsApp. These are one of the benefits of using GB WhatsApp. The only reason why I'm not going to be using this on my account is because this I've actually set my account as business account. As you can see, my account has been set as business account and I don't want to lose all the settings. Hence, I didn't mean there's a way for GB to integrate WhatsApp business into their mode and everything. I would have loved to test it out and use it on my main account. So this is to show you that it's actually working, by the way. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, comment and share. See you in my next video. Peace out. And don't forget, I'm going to drop a link for this WhatsApp for you below so that you'll be able to download it and testify in the comment section. Bye.